Free weights rep advice. Finally mustered the courage to do some free weights. Let's go, baby. Started off doing dumbbells since I struggle with barbells. Dumbbells, yeah, barbells, there's a lot going, honestly, both of them are pretty, there's a lot going on. So far did bench press, bent over row, bicep curl. Plan to do more in the future. Perfect. Wondering for reps, should I start with less reps, lighter weight with more reps? If you are a beginner like you are, I'd recommend, if you're not with people, if you're doing this by yourself, 100% lighter weight with more reps. Really hammer down that technique and probably do it for at least a month. And then from there, you can start to cut the reps a little bit and add some heavier stuff. Again, you don't want to be doing super heavy stuff right off the get because your technique isn't sound, and that's when you can slip up and potentially, injure yourself or get in a position that isn't as advantageous. The chances of injuring yourself are pretty small, but however, when you increase the weight, the technique overall gets usually faltered, and when your technique falters, it doesn't. Let's use back, for example. So if you're doing deadlifts and you round your back a little bit, that's not going to literally make your spine blow out immediately, but it's not the most advantageous position for your back to be in. And it does increase the risk of injury just a little bit, but not nearly as much as other people think. So long story short, more of just for building good movement patterns and motor patterns in your body. Recommend with the lighter reps. Really feel it, go through the motions, feel it. With bench, with bicep curls and bent over rows. Feel it, full contraction all the way back. That's another thing. So full extension of your arm if you're doing bench press, and then bring it all the way down, touching your chest. That's another reason it's good to start with lighter weights first, because you're not going to shortchange the range of motion as well.